Hey there, welcome to your yoga practice. Let's start up at the front of the mat in mountain pose. Bring your feet together or separate them just as far as you need to really feel stable and have comfort in your legs. Make sure that your feet are parallel. You don't want them turning out or in. You want everything neutral. Bring the weight back slightly, really pushing down into the heels. Lift the toes, spread them apart, grip down. Reach the back of the crown of the head up towards the sky. As you inhale, expand your ribs. As you exhale, soften the outer body. Relax the forehead, the eyes, the jaw. And prepare to move through Sun Salutation C, my variation of Sun Salutation C. Inhale, reach your arms up overhead. Exhale, fold. You can bend your knees. Inhale, halfway up to your monkey pose. Exhale, step back with your right foot. Bring your right knee down, left knee's right above the left ankle. Inhale, reach your arms up, Anjaneyasana. Exhale, plank. Inhale, push forward. Exhale, lower down all the way to the belly. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, lower. Good. Inhale, push up to your plank or modified plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. So we brought the right foot back first. Now we're going to bring the right foot up first. So when you're ready, bring your right foot between your hands, however you can get it there, left knee down. Inhale, rise up, Anjaneyasana. Exhale, hands down, lift the back knee. Inhale, step forward into your monkey. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Little bit of a back bend. Exhale, arms by the sides. Take a breath. Inhale, reach up. Little bit of a back bend. Exhale, fold. Inhale, monkey. Exhale, left foot back. Knee down. Inhale, arms up, Anjaneyasana. Exhale, plank. Inhale, push forward. Exhale, lower. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, down. Inhale, plank. Exhale, down dog. Breathe. Left foot forward, right knee down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands down, lift the back knee. Inhale, monkey. Exhale, fold. Inhale, all the way up, little back bend. Exhale, arms down. Breathe. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale, arms up, back bend. Exhale, fold. Inhale, monkey. Exhale, right foot back. Knee down. Inhale, Anjaneyasana, arms up. Exhale, plank. Now, if you like, you can bring the knees down and lower knees, chest, chin. Push through to a back bend. You can exhale, just go straight into down dog or lower down. Push up and back down dog. Right foot forward, left knee down. Inhale, Anjaneyasana, arms up. Exhale, hands down, lift the back knee. Inhale, monkey. Exhale, fold. Inhale, all the way up, back bend. Exhale, arms down. Take a breath. Good job, building some heat. Inhale, arms up, back bend. Exhale, lower. Inhale, monkey. Exhale, left foot back, left knee down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, move through your vinyasa. You could do knees, chest, chin. Right foot forward, left knee down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands down, lift the back knee. Inhale, step forward, monkey. Exhale, fold. Inhale all the way up, back bend. Exhale, arms down. Breathe. Okay, one more. Inhale, arms up, back bend. Exhale, fold. Inhale, monkey. Exhale, left foot back. Knee down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, move through your vinyasa. Left foot forward, right knee down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, step forward into monkey. Exhale, fold. Inhale, all the way up, back bend. Exhale, arms down. Breathe. One hand on the belly, one hand on the heart. Now, I'm going to move through some moon salutations. These are fun. Just do your best. Yeah, let's have fun with it. I'll also do my best. It might not be perfect, but it'll be interesting. All right. So inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, lean to your right. Inhale up. Exhale, lean to your left. Inhale up. Exhale, step out with your right foot into goddess. Inhale, star. Exhale, triangle towards the back of the mat, so right foot. Now just make sure that you're breathing. We're going to come into pyramid, so hands down on either side of the right foot. Back knee down. Anjaneyasana, arms up. Now Skandasana. So you can lift your back knee, come into like a side lunge. You can be here or all the way down. Walk it over to the other side, Skandasana. Anjaneyasana. Pyramid. Now your left foot is in front. Triangle. All the way up, goddess. Step back towards the center. Awesome. See, fun. Now we'll go other side. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, lean to your left. Inhale up. Exhale, lean to the right. Inhale up. Exhale, step out to your left, goddess. Inhale, star. Exhale, triangle to the left. Pyramid. Anjaneyasana. Skandasana. Skandasana, other side. Anjaneyasana, right foot's in front. Pyramid. Triangle. Goddess. Step towards the center of the mat. Good. Breathe. One hand on the belly, one hand on the chest. Slow it down. Might have been a little bit clunky. It was definitely clunky for me a lot for a long time. But it's fun. It's fun to try new things. Breathe. Good. Make your way down to seated in whatever way would feel good for you. Bring the soles of the feet together, knees out. Pull the booty back. Hold on to the ankles. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, start to tilt forward. Bound angle. Keep reaching the heart forward. And then round into it if it feels good. Slowly come up. Extend your legs out, just sitting in seated staff. Hold here and breathe. Eyes can be closed. Cross your legs. Sit up tall. Palms open on the knees, chin parallel to the ground. Slow down your breath. Little smile. Circle your hands together in front of your heart. Thank yourself for everything that your body just did during this practice. Thank your mind for getting you to the mat. Feel free to take a 5 to 10 minute Shavasana. Thank you so much. Namaste.